It's your girl, Kim Kimble, celebrity hairstylist to the stars, and I am on set shooting the cover of The Knot. I'm going to be sharing some tips with you how to get ready for your big day. So if you're going to color your hair, give yourself 2 weeks to color it. You don't want to go too early because you're going to have roots grow back, right? But do not do it a couple of days before the wedding. You need at least 7 days for the color to oxidize. So give yourself time, it is important. If you're thinking about doing a big chop for your wedding day, I recommend you get a wig first and see how you like it. And if you love it, go for it. Cutting your hair off requires a lot of confidence. Not saying that it won't look great, because some people look great with their hair short, but it's not for everybody. So please proceed with caution. I think for the big day, depending on where you are, you want to make sure you have a style that works with the climate. For hairstyles that really work great with humidity, I recommend beach waves or updos, because updos will usually hold through, lots of humidity. But if you're going to wear your hair down, go with something textured and wave in case that moisture gets in your hair and starts to change it. If you really want to be fabulous for your wedding day, you want to plan hair for the wedding and for the reception. Usually we do a fabulous updo for the wedding, so it can be classic and beautiful. But then at the reception, let your hair down. That's all in the planning and the styling, baby. Leading up to the big day, you need your stylist, you need your makeup artist, hairstylist, you need a full-on glam team, so that all you have to do is sit there and just be pretty for your big day. They will handle all the logistics. Thank you for hanging out with me and having a chat. Want to make sure that you subscribe to The Knot magazine and see the full spread. Check it out.